Hi, my name is Jennifer Mullins. I'm the owner of Mullins Tutoring Incorporated, and today I'm going to review exponents and understanding how we use exponents in math. So to start with, let's look at the vocabulary of exponents. Here I have 5 squared. So 5 is called the base, and the 2 is the exponent. And the exponent tells me how many times I'm going to multiply the base times itself. So we're going to do a couple of examples. The first one I have is 3 cubed. One mistake people make is they say, oh, well, it's 3 times 3, which would give me 9. But what this is telling me is I'm going to take my base of 3 and I'm going to multiply that 3 times. So I'm going to have 3 times 3 times 3. One way that you can do it is group it of 3 times 3 is 9 times 3, and that would give us 27. Our second one is 4 squared, so I've got my base of 4, and I'm going to multiply it times itself 2 times. 4 times 4 is 16. Let's take a look at the next one, 2 to the 5th power. I had a student once who did 2 times 5 is 10, and even when she wrote it out as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, she said, well, I still get 10. So one of the ways I did it was like up above where I did, okay, well, I have 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2. So I have 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 times 2 is 32. So with exponents, we have a much faster growth. It's also called exponential growth. The last one we have is 6 squared. So I have 6, and the base is 6, and I'm going to multiply 6 by itself twice. 6 times 6 is 36. So here are a couple of examples of using them exponents in an equation. I have 3 squared times 2 squared. Well, order of operations, we're always going to do exponents first. So I have 3 squared, which would be 3 times 3 or 9, times 2 squared. 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. And now I have multiplication. 9 times 4 is 36. Let's look at the next problem. We have 9 squared minus 8 squared. So first thing I want to do is 9 times 9, just multiplying the base by itself. And 9 times 9 is 81. And I'm subtracting in this operation. And then I have 8 squared. 8 times 8 is 64. And when I do the subtraction, I end up with 17. In the last problem, we have 6 squared divided by 9. So we're going to do our exponent first. So 6 times 6 is 36, divided by 9, and that would give us 4. So the most important thing to remember when we're doing exponents is we The exponent tells us how many times we're going to multiply the base times itself. So if we had 3 cubed, we multiplied 3 times itself 3 times. I hope that this was helpful for you. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out my other math videos. Thank you so much.